Hey guys, Ian from Big Bite Media here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about lighting and a low-cost way to get your lighting from looking like this to looking like this.
Or this.
Let's just keep it here for now while we talk. Now, lighting has always been an issue for me because I'm in such a small room, but I think I found a pretty good solution. What I found was these Neewer ZC10S LED lights. These units are pretty small. They measure between 5.5 inches to 3 3/4 inches. And when you open the box, you can see that there are tripod stands that come with them that adjust in height anywhere from 8.8 inches up to 45.5 inches. So you can really put them on the floor, you can put them on a table, you can put them anywhere you want. They're very compact and very portable. Also in the kit are 3 different color filters, red, blue, and yellow. And you're able to adjust the filter in any environment you might see yourself in. These LED lights are connected by USB, and it does not come with any sort of USB power adapter. Luckily, I had one lying around, but if you don't have one, you are going to need to purchase one. I basically just found a couple of old iPhone chargers lying around, and well, I used those. Another thing I like about these lights is that they're adjustable. You can dim them from 10% all the way up to 100%. Now, I will say you do have to manually put in the filters, so if you're looking for something different, it might not be a good option for you. These do work well, and I do like that they came with 2 tripods. However, I do worry about the durability of them over a span of time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and remember, if you like this video,